will race through 1,300 feet of track to a
Welcome aboard, Beach Rescue Racer. This year, all loose articles and those black baskets on the left hand.
Beach Rescue Racer. When measurement is necessary, please follow all.
Welcome back, explorers. I hope you enjoyed your rescue. Now, Beach Rescue Racer, as your train comes in or complete stop, the lap bars will open automatically. At that time, we ask you guys as quickly and safely as possible to your left-hand side. Once again, we ask you guys as quickly and safely as possible to your left-hand side. Thank you for joining us here today, and I have the workforce for you here at SeaWorld San Antonio.
Welcome, explorers, to Beach Rescue Racer, where you will race through 1,300 feet of track to aid strange beach creatures in your rescue Jeep coaster. Please read rider requirements prior to boarding.
Right your shoulder back against the seat back. Hold on to your lap bar at all times. Keep your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the right vehicle at all times. All clear.
1,300 feet of track to aid strange beach creatures in your rescue Jeep coaster.
All clear, dispatch and train.
Rider requirements prior to boarding. If you are pregnant, have neck, back, or heart problems, any pre-existing health conditions, or any concerns about riding this ride, please do not ride and speak with a cadet. Please secure all loose items with a non-rider or place in a cubby or locker. Junior explorers must be 38 inches or taller to ride this ride. Please follow all
Now, welcome back, explorers. I hope you enjoyed your rescue. Here on Beach Rescue Racer, as your train comes back to the station, your lap bars will open automatically. At that time, we ask you to as quickly and safely as possible to your left-hand side. Once again,